Fish rod holder mount for Magma marine kettle grills. Fits standard cylindrical rod holders with an internal rubber sleeve, up to 1/2 inside diameter. 18:8 stainless steel and all-weather plastic construction. Unique quick disconnect design for tool-free installation removal. Allows grill to mount in any direction from rod holder. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent mount. I read that others had trouble with the plastic nut breaking, but I found that you only have to snug the nut down to secure the grill. Also, for those that have lost the regulator overboard, I installed a simple 4-foot extension hose, so the propane bottle stays on board with the regulator securely attached. If the regulator should come off the grill, the hose will prevent it from even hitting the water. Hose on Amazon. Dozy Ant 4-foot propane extension hose, about $13. Mic.